Hey guys, Dave here. Welcome to Computer Hobbyist. Today I have an iPad 9th generation that I just ordered from Amazon. This is a current model. I just got it with the Bionic A13 chip and 64 gigabytes of storage. Basically, I got the lowest end model. Reason for that is I'm just going to be using this for using the internet and watching YouTube videos and maybe a video game once in a while or something to use on an airplane. I had an iPad 2 in the past and I loved it, but it got to the point where I could no longer get new software for it, so I ended up getting a Microsoft Surface, and boy was that a mistake. I liked the Surface at first, though I thought it was a little bit sluggish, but the thing only lasted a few years before it broke, and those things are extremely expensive to repair, just like iPads. So Microsoft Surfaces and iPads generally, if something breaks in it, you just throw it out because it can cost you $300 just to have the thing opened up and a simple repair done. But anyhow, I paid $329 for this and had a $25 gift card, so I got that off with free shipping. So let's take a look inside. We're going to look at this and then we're unbox it, and then I'm going to try and set it up. Alright, so it's got the screen protected here. Yeah, they did a good job packaging it. Alright, let's see what kind of power brick. Got a power brick here. This one uses a USB-C connector to Thunderbolt, whereas the iPad 2 I had, it used a USB-A connector, and then that old thing they had before the Thunderbolt, I don't even know what that port was called, but let's try and set it up now. Another thing is I'm getting of the age where I need to use reading glasses, and this has a larger screen than my phone. I use my phone constantly. This will allow me to make it so it's easier to see the screen. Wait for that to start. Hello. Oh, I'm doing well. How are you? We're going to set it up in English. United States, set up manually, and now we'll enter the Wi-Fi password. Alright, here's the data and privacy. Apple's actually a lot better on privacy than the other computer manufacturers. Set up the Touch ID. Gotta keep lifting this and placing it. Alright, now it's going to try and get the edges of your fingerprint. I'm using my thumb for this. Alright, that's all complete. Alright, I'll create a password now. It asks for your password twice. Alright, I already tried restoring this from a iCloud backup. Problem with it is I didn't have my iPad 2 backup anymore, so I tried restoring from my phone and things got a little goofy, so I'm not going to do a restore. Alright, I'm going to do don't transfer apps and data. I can just download those again. You don't get charged again. If you already paid for it once and you're using the same Apple ID, you can download whatever you need again without having to repay for it. Alright, I'll sign in there. Alright, now it's pinging my phone so I can give it the verification code. Alright. Alright, here, don't transfer apps and data. I don't want to do that because I tried that before. Settings. Appearance. Location services on, that's okay. Screen time I don't need. This all looks okay. Yeah, the problem I was having when I had restored from an iPhone backup, because I couldn't do an iPad backup, so I had to do an iPhone, is that Messenger wasn't working. So, alright, let's try this now. Use my current cards, yeah. I don't use Siri. Welcome to iPad. Alright. Alright, so let's see what comes on here. A few items. Where's our app store at here? Let's download Ticket to Ride. I've already paid for it. I got it, had it on my old iPad, my iPhone, and on my Mac. Alright, let's look for Ticket to Ride. Here it is. There it is, and as you can see, I don't have to pay for it since I already did before. I can just download it to this. While that's downloading, let me show you something with the keyboard on here. It's got the keyboard just like it did on the iPad 2, but now it's got numbers and stuff above some of the keys. And if you want to use those numbers, you can either go down here like you used to, and now it's telling you about that, and numbers will show up, or go back to ABC, and if you want to use the number 5, you just pull down on that and you get the number 5 instead of the T. So I got to see how I'm going to like that. I'm not used to it yet. Maybe once I get used to it, I'll like it better. But if I don't, it's no big deal, because I can just go back to here and get the numbers. So whatever you prefer to do. Let's see if Ticket to Ride is installed. There it is. Restore purchases. Yeah, I bought some expansions for this. There we go. There you go. Seems to be working okay. After I've used this for a while, maybe 6 weeks or something, I might do a short review of it. But so far it looks good. I don't have any complaints. Thanks for watching and have a good evening.